Hi everyone, I'm SaucyBeans. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through a really quick and easy breakfast burrito recipe. So I'm going to start off today with 2 eggs. So I'm just going to crack the eggs in the bowl. Just make sure you don't get any shell in there because that's kind of annoying. Crack the eggs like so. And then I'm just going to whip these up really well so it's all incorporated in. So just whip it up like that and try to get it like really nice and frothy. So just keep whipping. And then I always like to add a little bit of milk. Again, I think you probably saw my omelet recipe a few days ago. Milk really makes your eggs and omelets and anything you're making on the stove with eggs really fluffy. So I like to always add probably about a tablespoon of milk for the 2 eggs. And then I'm going to add 2 diced cherry tomatoes, a few chopped green onions here, keep those, and then some diced mushrooms. I'm going to add those. So then we're just going to mix it all in really nicely. I've already preheated my frying pan, so it's already ready to go over there. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of salt, just a sprinkle of salt, and then a sprinkle of pepper. You can also add this at the end, but I just like to add it before I start cooking, just to get the flavors all nicely mashed in there. So now we're just going to head over to the stove and fry this baby up. Come on with me. Okay, so here we are at our stove. I have the oil preheated here. I probably put about 1 tablespoon of oil in the frying pan, so it's all nice and hot. And I also have this pan here, and I'm just gonna pop my tortilla on there while I'm frying up the hash. So I'm just gonna increase that a bit, and then we're gonna get this all in here and get it all fried up. And I'm gonna mash it up really well. So we've got that going. So I'm just going to turn the heat up a bit to probably medium high so we can get it all nice and well cooked, and just start mixing it up while you can see it solidifying on the bottom of the pan. So we're going to mix it up really nicely here. Maybe turn it up a little bit more. And then on this side you can see my tortillas kind of getting a little bit brown and bubbly. So that's getting ready to go. While it's still a bit runny here, I'm going to add some cheese, shredded cheese. So I usually have a Mexican style cheese blend ready to go in my fridge. Or you can grate your own if you like, but this is just quick and easy and convenient. So that cheese is just added in there, and it's going to get really nice and melty with the egg. Check on that tortilla at the same time. So you just want to scramble it up and make a little bit of a hash. You can also add hash browns if you like, but today I'm just going to make it really, really simple and easy and just stick with the eggs and the veggies. So you can see that's getting really nice and well cooked. Now I just keep cooking like that. It smells amazing. I wish you guys could smell what I'm cooking because it's awesome. It smells so good. So you can see my tortilla is pretty much ready to go. So I'm just going to pop that on the plate here. Get that ready. And the eggs are nearly done. So once you see everything kind of meshed together and it's all solid, I think I'm pretty happy with that. I'm gonna switch the stove off and then go over to the work area and assemble it. So just follow me over there. Okay, so here we have our egg mixture that you saw me making on the stove, and the tortilla's ready over here. So I'm just gonna plate it onto the tortilla, like so. That looks awesome. And I'm just going to add a little bit of salt and pepper on top, even though I did add it into the egg mixture before, but I just like to add a little bit more just for some flavor. And then also a little bit of Mexican hot sauce, just to add a little kick. Of course, if you want to leave this part out, you can, because this hot sauce can be super, super, super spicy. And then we're just going to fold the tortillas. Yum. That looks amazing. And I'm just gonna cut it in half to show you guys the inside. Et voila! Super, super tasty, super easy breakfast burrito. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'm looking forward to seeing you guys again soon. Bye!